Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week.
In today's video tip, we're going to take a look at how to identify vessels towing barges alongside or pushing them ahead. When a tug comes in from stern towing along the coast or on the ocean, they often shorten the tow line once they're inside sheltered waters, and they'll lash the tow either alongside or move it to the bow and push it ahead. This provides better control for turning and maneuvering through narrow bridges, around bends in a river, and when close to shoals or other vessels. Today we're going to take a look at those tug configurations inside the inland waters of the United States. Remember that inland waters of the United States are those waters which lie inside the boundary lines called demarcation lines. Demarcation lines are shown as dashed magenta lines on your chart. You can also find the location of the demarcation lines anywhere in the United States in the back section of the navigation rules. A tug towing alongside or pushing ahead will show two white lights in a vertical line at the mast. She will also show side lights, and at the stern, instead of a white stern light, she will show two yellow lights in a vertical line. The barge will show side lights and a light called a special flashing light between the two side lights. Notice that this special flashing light is yellow and it flashes 50 to 70 times per minute. The stern configuration of the barge depends on whether it's being towed alongside or pushed ahead. If being towed alongside, she will show a stern light. If being pushed ahead, the stern light will be turned off so that it does not blind the tug skipper. Now you know how to identify the navigation lights of a tug and her tow in inland waters of the United States when towing alongside or pushing ahead. Use these sailing navigation tips to help you sail safer on the waters of the world.
This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.